This primer is like silk. So what it does is it fills in any lines or pores. It gives you this blurred effect and this even surface for your makeup, foundation, whatever kind you use to glide on. The denser the brush, the fuller the coverage. The lighter and fluffier the brush, the lighter the coverage. I'm going to be using my YB6 brush because I want to get a little bit more of a fuller coverage. One of my favorite parts of Youngblood is that all of its ingredients and all of their products are the highest grade of ingredients. That means I don't have to worry about breaking out with any of these products. It gives you that velvet finish that just photographs flawlessly. And if you are an oily skin type like me, the mineral rice setting powder is ideal. Mineral rice setting powder is going to kind of create that barrier for your oils not to seep through. It's going to absorb them instead. What I like to do is I like to set kind of my T-zone area. The idea is just to look dewy, not sweaty. This is a great little item to keep in your purse. It's compact, it's little, you're getting a little oily during the daytime, powder it on. And my favorite step to finish off any look is to add a little bit of the high def powder. What this does is it blurs any lines or any pores. It gives you that like filtered skin look. Take my number 5 brush and I dip into both